No, dude, please.
Bruh.
What? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry about not uploading last week. It was just a lot of technical difficulties and I just did not have the time for it. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a nice looking natural full lip. So without further ado, let's dive right into this video. All you're going to need for this lip process is your lip liner. Today I'm going to be using the NYX Lip Pencil in the shade Ever. Your choice of lipstick or lip gloss. Today I'm going to be using the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Toffee. A slanted brush like this one to help blend out the lip. I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's JS7 brush. A small concealer brush like this one. And lastly, your concealer. Today I'm going to be using the E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. For the first step of this process, I'm going to take my lip pencil and begin to start outlining my lips. Always be sure to make sure your lip pencil is a shade darker than your actual lips. I like to start on my Cupid's bow right here. So if you are a little bit confused of where to outline your lips naturally have a lift to them. So what you're trying to do is find the very top of the lift and begin to outline your lip from there. So what I like to do personally is aim for more of a pouty lip look, and in order to create that illusion, you're going to overdraw the top part of your lip, and when you get to the corners of your lip, you're going to thin it out and make it more narrow. So once you're happy with the outline on the top part of your lip, we're going to start the bottom. So to get really full lips, we're going to take the same concept as the top lip and make this bottom part right here really thick, like overdrawn to the max, because your lip naturally has a shadow right here, so it won't matter as much of how far you overdraw your lip right there. And again, we're going to make the corners of your lips right here very thin and narrow and blended. And you can see how much I literally overdrew the bottom of my lip right here, if you can see. Look at that. Ooh. Once the top and bottom lip are done, I'm gonna go back in with the lip pencil and create a little more depth to the lip by taking the lip pencil and darkening up the outer corners of the lip on both the top and bottom. After the liner is done, we're gonna go in with the lipstick or lip gloss and place that in the center of our lips right here. Just a quick tip, when you're picking your lipstick, you always want to go a shade a little lighter than your lip liner because you want to create that sense of depth to have nice, full, and luscious looking lips. After applying your lipstick or lip gloss, you're going to take your lip brush and gradually blend your gloss and the lip liner together. Once you're happy with the blend of the lips and it's looking great and full, we're going to go in with our concealer and clean up the edges. So as you can see, my lips naturally have a drop right here and I don't want that. So I'm going to clean that up with the concealer. So I'm just going to take the concealer and clean up these edges. Do you see how much of a difference it makes though? Like, it's nice and clean and smooth. You can have this nice smudged kind of look. A lot of people like and go for that, but me personally, I like straight lines and having it look precise. And there we have it, our nice full natural looking lips, and look at that. Ooh, so much of a difference. I really hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to, and come back in 2 weeks for my next video. Thank you guys so much. I love you.